With the machine set up and the beans loaded, it's time to power on and run your first flush. Press the on/off button. The machine will begin warming up. Before your first brew, we run a flush cycle. This clears any residue from the internal water passages and confirms everything is working properly. It's a quick step and well worth doing. Place an empty cup or container under both the steam wand and brew head spout. Then press the flush button. You'll see flushing appear on the LED and water will begin flowing from both outlets. The cycle runs for 90 seconds automatically. Just let it run. When the cycle completes, the machine moves into preheating mode on its own. You'll see the display shift as it brings the system up to brewing temperature. The machine is now fully primed and ready for its first shot.